Thermal oil boiler are widely used in petroleum, chemical, pharmaceutical and other industrial fields that require high temperature. EPCB has been designing boiler systems that best meet their needs for users. Let's take a look at the user's site. Using Riyadh burner, second stage fire, full combustion. The burner interface and the coil are well sealed, and the expansion space greatly enhances the thermal efficiency of the boiler. The boiler adopts a two-coil structure, and the flue gas has 3 returns. The design is compact and the heating surface of the boiler is increased, equipped with economizers, air preheaters, etc. to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions. Using PLC automatic control box, multiple interlocking protections such as oil temperature, pressure, combustion, and alarm. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.